A few weeks ago, DJI reached out and challenged me to put down my everyday camera equipment and create a cinematic video testing out their new DJI Osmo Pocket. The Osmo Pocket is an ultra-small size handheld gimbal camera that has a variety of features allowing users to create smooth cinematic footage. Being a massive travel advocate who travels frequently creating unique content on the go, I was over the moon to hear that they had a new product suitable for travelers like myself. I thought, if I could find a more portable, compact camera to take with me on my travels without having to compensate on quality and smoothness, I'd find myself a winner. So last week, I flew out to the tropical paradise of Seychelles with the new Osmo in my hand, and here is what I captured. In the end, I was extremely impressed with the footage I was able to achieve with the Osmo Pocket. Not only does the camera shoot 4K footage in 30 frames per second, but you now have an option to shoot in 60p in 4K as well as 120 frames per second in HD quality. This allows you to slow it down and create a more cinematic feel to your shots without having to minimize on the quality of footage, which is what I'm all about. A huge factor that also makes great travel videos is achieving stabilization in your shots. Having buttery smooth footage allows you to create better storytelling through more creative camera movements. The Osmo Pocket really did serve me in that sense because I was able to create more cinematic movements to enhance the emotion and storytelling in my footage that I simply would have not been able to achieve if I shot with a camera handheld. Other than having this camera be a great stabilizer, I found it to be extremely portable and easy to use. This pocket-sized camera takes roughly 3 seconds to set up and includes an inbuilt touchscreen which allows you quick controls without having to connect it to your phone. This quick setup feature has made my shooting experience much easier, especially in times where I simply just need a quick shot when I'm on the go. Apart from how portable and easy to use the stabilizer was, the Osmo Pocket also has some pretty awesome features. One of those super cool features is its story mode. This is a new feature that has come out which helps guide users to generate video by using short clips with gimbal movements and for instant sharing. There are several gimbal movements to choose from. Each include multiple clips and a soundtrack to accompany it. You simply take the footage on your Osmo to fill in those clips as shown on the app, and story mode does the rest. In seconds, you can view your fully edited video and save it directly to your phone or on the Memo app without no need to edit your clips manually on a movie editing software. Pretty cool, isn't it? Another main feature that really stood out to me was its motion time-lapse feature. The motion lapse feature on the Osmo Pocket is super easy to use and quick to set up. Both can be done either on the Osmo itself or when you connect it to your phone. You simply choose a start and end point and select the time it takes to go to point A and point B. The Osmo Pocket will do the rest and you'll come out with super awesome motion to your time-lapse, which could take your videos to the next level. It's safe to say that this little pocket-sized camera packs a punch, and I'm definitely impressed with what DJI has managed to do fitting so many epic features into one tiny camera. As a travel and content creator who's always on the go, I'm always on the hunt searching for the next best portable camera that complements my work without having to compensate on quality. The Osmo Pocket is definitely a camera I'll be taking with me on my future adventures because it does just that. It's a great 4K camera and one I'd recommend for anyone who's just about to get into filming or who likes to travel and create content like myself.